baby
Now this
turtles
is
I found on the
natural
beach.
mother nature, natural geography. People, look at this morning. Look at these turtles moving towards the sea. Everybody react and heading towards the sea. Honestly, we just help them. No long as them in the whole one come out. See it, people. Natural wildlife. Natural. Turtle heading to the sea. Hatch up and I move towards the sea. Natural. See them people in the morning here. Look at this. Tell me, say Jehovah not great. First, me I see it half hand like this. Everybody heading to the sea. People make we take up two of them people. You think a joke, a live thing people. So two of them, look at them go out there. Show me say, live thing. But they head to the sea. This is how they want to reach all long. Look at that. Straight towards the water. Go on, little man. No more not Geo, watch that. No more not Geo, watch them gonna see. Look at that. Look at that, people. No more not Geo, watch that. Straight to see, that's where they wanna be. Come again, the people. See them here. In the morning, yeah. Right, a riot boy now. Yeah. See it, my people. See them there. Body head out to see, you know what to. Make sure something clear then wait to, you know, with people. Because fish spot and this and that there. So. Natural. Live and natural, my people. Clear then wait. And then come down nice and good. Alright. See there the people who watch every day. They watch for Animal Planet every day. So this is the time where all of them hatch. Look how many. Everybody ahead to see me people. See it? Everybody hatch and ahead to see me people. Everybody heading out to see me people. Man.